Hi guys, welcome to lecture 1 on SQL. Today we'll start by answering the very obvious question, and that is, what do we mean by SQL? SQL basically stands for Structured Query Language. Okay, so now we know what does it stand for. Now let's understand what do we mean by those words, one word at a time. We'll start by understanding what do we mean by query language first. In order to understand what is query language, let's take the example of a supermarket. Now suppose you go to a supermarket on a weekend and you are having a great time buying all the stuff you like, and suddenly you have this question in your mind, and that is, how many employees work there at the supermarket? Now you cannot just go around the supermarket counting the number of employees. That is not practical. The better way to do it is to go to the manager of the supermarket and ask the question in English. The manager will go through the list of all the employees working at the supermarket, count the number and give you the reply. So English in this case was used by you to ask the question or a query to a manager. So English is the query language here. So now we know what do we mean by a query language. Now let's understand what do we mean by the word structured. Now in the above case, a manager was a human being, so he was able to understand your English. But what if the manager was a computer and not a human? In that case, computers cannot understand pure simple English like humans do, right? So in that case, we will have to modify or structure our query such that the computer who is handling the request understands it. And that basically is SQL. SQL is a language which a computer or a database server which is handling our request understands. Hope those three words, structured query language, are very clear to you now. Thank you for seeing this lecture and hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye.